Paul,
Yeah,
can I ask you something?
of course. What's wrong?
Have you seen my dog?
Your dog?
Yeah. Max. His name is Max. And he didn't come home.
Wait, what do you mean he didn't come home?
He's been gone for 10 days.
10 days? Anna, why didn't you tell me?
I don't know. I guess I was scared to say it out loud.
Okay, breathe. Tell me everything. All right, everyone. Before we go further, let me explain something.
Today's episode is a little different.
It's personal for me.
Yeah, and it's also going to teach you something important in English.
Something called the past tense.
Ooh, scary word.
I know. It sounds like homework.
But it's not homework. It's just how we talk about yesterday, how we talk about last week, how we talk about the story I'm about to hear.
Exactly.
Because in a few minutes, I'm going to tell you the whole story of Max.
And every single sentence you'll hear is past tense.
And by the end, you'll be using it too, without even thinking about it.
So stay with us, because honestly, this story gets me a little emotional.
Okay, so how it started. I found Max when I was 10 years old.
10 years old? Wow.
Yeah. It was raining that day. I remember it so clearly.
Notice that, everyone. I remember. That's past tense. Easy, right?
I walked home from school, and under a car, I saw something small. Something shaking.
It was him?
It was him. A tiny, wet, scared little dog.
What'd you do?
I picked him up. I carried him home. And my mom said, absolutely not.
Classic mom answer.
But look at me now. 20 years later. Still with that dog.
Guys, look at this pattern. Found, walked, saw, picked, carried, said.
All actions. All finished. All past.
That's literally it. That's the whole difficult grammar rule. It's just something happened, and now it's done.
Okay, quick lesson moment. Don't worry, it's easy.
Most verbs just add ed.
Walk becomes walked. Play becomes played. Watch becomes watched.
Try it. Say, walked.
Perfect.
But English loves to be difficult sometimes.
Some verbs just change completely.
See becomes saw. Find becomes found. Say becomes said.
Yeah, there's no logic. You just have to feel them over time.
Don't stress about memorizing every single one today.
Just notice them in the story. Your brain is already learning, even right now.
That's the whole point of this podcast. You don't study English. You absorb it.
Max grew up with me.
Grew. Another irregular one.
He slept next to my bed every night,
Every night?
every single night. When I cried, he stayed close. When I laughed, he got excited.
He knew you.
He knew me better than most people did.
Honestly, that's the thing about dogs.
When I moved to college, I missed him so much.
That word. Missed. That's such an important word.
It's one of the most human feelings there is.
You don't say I miss him for someone who doesn't matter.
Exactly. And that's why this is so hard right now.
Okay. Tell me what happened 10 days ago.
It was a normal afternoon.
Okay.
I opened the back door. Max ran outside like always.
Like always.
I went back inside for maybe 2 minutes. Just 2 minutes.
And then?
When I came back, he was not there.
Oh no.
I called his name. I checked the yard. I checked the street.
Called. Checked. Checked again. More past tense, guys. Even in panic, we still use it.
I searched every single day since then.
Every day?
Every day. I didn't sleep well. I didn't feel like eating.
Anna? Hey, look at me.
Yeah,
We're gonna find him.
you really think so?
I know so. Because you didn't give up for 10 days. And you're not giving up now.
Okay, let's pause the story for 1 second.
Because this is actually really useful for you.
When something sad or scary happens to you in real life, you need words for it.
So here's your emotional past tense toolkit.
I was scared. I didn't know what to do. I felt alone. I hoped for the best.
Try saying, I was scared.
Nice.
These phrases aren't complicated, but they let you say something real.
And honestly, people connect with real feelings, not perfect grammar.
If you can say, I was scared, and someone understands you, that's already a win.
That's confidence, not perfection.
All right. Let's go find your dog.
Right now?
Right now.
Paul, thank you.
Don't thank me yet. Thank me when Max is home.
We walked through the neighborhood. We asked every neighbor. We printed posters with his photo.
Walked, asked, printed. Past tense, teamwork edition.
And somewhere around the corner, someone said something.
Wait, what?
A woman said she saw a dog like Max near the old park.
The old park? Let's go.
We ran. We didn't even talk. We just ran.
And then?
I saw him
You saw him.
under a tree. Tired, a little dirty, but alive.
Anna.
He looked at me, and his tail started moving.
He remembered you.
He never forgot me.
Okay, let's take a breath.
That was a lot, huh?
It really was. But here's the lesson for today.
In English and in life, the hardest moments are also the best teachers.
Because now you know sentences like, I found him. I didn't give up. He remembered me.
These aren't just grammar sentences.
They're your sentences now, about your own life.
Next time something happens to you, good or bad, try to say it in English.
Even simply, even with mistakes.
I was happy. I lost something. Found it again.
That's real English, not textbook English.
Max is home now, sleeping right next to me as I record this.
And you learned an entire grammar topic without even feeling like you studied.
That's the whole idea here.
English isn't something you memorize.
It's something you feel.
So next time your English feels difficult, remember Max.
Remember that even lost things can find their way back. Even confidence. Even your voice in English.
If you like this story, hit follow. There's a new one every week.
And hey, give your dog, your cat, or someone you love a hug today.
Life's too short, even for a podcast about grammar.